Hi, this is David from SmartWell. We're going to show you another member of the family, which is the App2Car SIM10. And this device, you can put a SIM card on it and run your own data there without having to hotspot it from your device. So it's a great solution, and also it has GPS inbuilt and also wireless Android and wireless CarPlay. So we're just going to test it on Toyota Hilux 2022. So just plug and play really, and we'll show you some videos from Netflix as well to show you how the device works. It's a very simple and easy to use device, being honest, and it's going to work great with Toyota Hilux as well. So excellent solution if you want to install more apps. For example, Kayo, you can install apps like Amazon Prime, Binge, anything, Facebook, games, anything you want on your car radio, it will just work with it. So it's coming up now, and the system is going to upload, and it's going to be ready for you in seconds. And from here, of course, if you have a SIM card, you install it on the device. If not, you just go to settings and go into connectivity, Wi-Fi connectivity, and connect with your mobile phone. It's connected right now with my mobile phone, and from here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to Netflix and show you a Netflix video on the screen, and of course play it, and the sound is going to come from the car radio. So just click this one, play, and off we go. Just put the brightness up a little bit, put the volume up. There we go. Very easy to use.
All I know is
and from here, of course, you can watch YouTube as well. Just gonna put YouTube as well here. Here we go.
Whether you're a home renovator, architect, or tradesman,
Of course, you can escape from Google apps, Kayo. For those sport fanatics, you want to watch your sports in your car radio, you can do that as well. I don't have a Kayo account, but yeah, it's there. And if you want to hook up wirelessly with your Android or iPhone, just go to multiplay and just connect it. There we go. So full solution. Install any apps, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. You can have your SIM card there. So it's a great solution. Now working with Toyota Hilux 2022. And if you want to find more, just go to my channel, YouTube channel, subscribe to it, or go to www.smartworldcompany.com.